If you have to raise your voice to be heard from just 1 meter away, your workplace is too loud. In Australia, the legal noise limit is 85 decibels, averaged over an 8-hour shift. That's about the level of heavy traffic. Exceed it regularly, and your workers risk permanent hearing loss. And here's the thing. Once hearing is gone, it's gone. Permanently. As an employer, you're legally required to monitor noise levels, provide hearing protection, and arrange audiometric testing for workers in noisy environments. Anitech's occupational hygienists come to your site and measure actual exposure, not estimates. Don't wait for a WorkSafe inspection to find out you're non-compliant. Visit anitechgroup.com to book your noise assessment today.